Hello, my name is Vanessa. I'm a lightworker and I'm here to help. In this video, I want to talk about predictions for 2022. And the main theme of this video is definitely not fear, it is unity. It is so important that we understand and keep understanding that we need to come together. That us normal citizens, regardless of what country we are living in, we are not the enemy. In fact, it is imperative that we come together with this understanding that we all want the same thing. Freedom to be with our family, freedom to make choices when it comes to our bodies, freedom to go and move to different places. And we don't want to be manipulated. It is imperative that we do not make each other the enemy, which is what a lot of higher powers want. They want to distract us, and it isn't true. We are not the enemy. We must come together in unity, in large numbers, with love, with understanding that we all want the same basic things. And this year I think is going to be tough for a lot of us. There's going to be a lot of things that have been happening in 2020, 2021 that are going to escalate, and people are going to reach a breaking point in what they are going to accept. And it's important that during this time we focus on love and our actions are coming from a place of love and not a place of fear, because when we act out on a place of fear, we are not going to be doing the right things. We need to come from a place of love and a place of consciousness. We need to create a space before we act. So we need to hear information, question the information, number one. Hear the information, question the information, process the information before we take action. And those actions can't be erratic. We need to come together in unity, in love this year. There's going to be a lot of heightened tensions, a lot of information coming to the forefront, hidden information that's going to come out. And we really need to be working on ourselves now in a place of more peace. This is a stressful time. This has been a really stressful couple of years. And I think that's going to reach a height in 2022. So I encourage you to focus on love, to focus on yourself, fixing yourself in any ways that you can, fixing old wounds, understanding triggers that you have and why you have them, and understanding that your brothers and sisters of this earth are not your enemies. The regular everyday citizens, no matter what country they are from. We all need to come together with the same goal: freedom. Freedom to pursue happiness, freedom to govern our own bodies, and to understand that love is the way that we do this. I wish you great luck this year. I encourage you to remember what I say all the time, and that what you focus your energy on grows. So you don't want to be focusing your energy on fear, because then you will have more things. The universe will bring more things for you to fear this year. So focus on love. Focus on growth. But do focus your energy and do focus your attention. It's the same thing. And don't let it just sort of go in an unaware way to all different places. Focus your attention and focus it on yourself, on healing, on growth, on nutrition, on becoming stronger, and on becoming more accepting of others. Because we need unity. We need to come together this year more than ever. We all need to come together with love, respecting people's rights as humans, respecting people's rights with their families. No matter what your take on different situations are, you must know that we all have a basic right to be free, to love, to be with our families, to make choices for our bodies, and we must not turn against each other. That is what some people want, people in great power, and we can't fall for it. I love you very much. I wish you so much luck, and I can't wait to connect with you soon. For 2022, focus on love. Focus on love. Focus on love.